As a full stack technology, we of course compete with guys like Selenium, like Renorex, like everybody else, right? The difference between us and them, that's based on a number of mathematical algorithms that we have in our object recognition engine. Any script that we create with ZAPTEST, by default, cross-platform oriented. You need to script it against, let's say, one browser that can play it against any other browser on any operating system, or let's say against one client-server version of the application, one operating system that's script gonna play back on the other. That's one of the advantages. As a full stack technology, we offer QA community more than any other tool does. For example, with ZAPTEST, you can auto-generate test documentation. Being a QA professionals, you know it's a big burden of the industry, right? Test documentation, you have to write it, you have to maintain it. Even when you're not referring to that, you still have to have it for compliance purposes. So with ZAPTEST, tool automatically generates it for you. Another component that we have is a parallel device execution, specifically for agile development. Our tool runs with single execution, cross-platform, on all platforms. So that expedites time to market of the regression testing for agile teams. We provide private cloud system for our clients. So similar to SaaS Labs or Perfecto Mobile or other cloud system, we offer it to our clients. Within the solution, it provides reach and access to the remote devices, virtual machines, workstation, and mobile phones. And we provide API testing. So with ZAPTEST, you can do API testing on a standalone basis or combine it together jointly with the UI steps with the same script. So again, we're a full stack test automation technology. We can address any testing goal.